and welcome back to another Type R Tuesday. I haven't done a Type R Tuesday in a couple months, so I'm very happy to get back to showing some love to Black Diamond because Blue has been getting all the love on the channel for a while, and Blue is only in this video for one reason and one reason only. A couple months ago, I made a video installing rock guards from Pro Auto Engineering on Blue. They ended up seeing the video and they loved it. They reached out to me and said, Miller, is there anything that we can do? I said, do you have anything for the 21 Type R? They said, don't worry, we'll hook you up. So big shout out to Pro Auto Engineering for sponsoring today's Type R Tuesday. I will leave a link to it down in the description. Make sure you use my code 717 at checkout for 10% off. Let's not waste any more time. This should be a really quick install. So if you enjoy it, you know what to do. I'm really looking forward to getting these put on because I already have a chip in my door because I don't have any rock guards. Obviously, it comes two in the front and two in the back. And the reason I know these are the back ones is because the back ones only have two screws. This is one of the cool things about this. They go in the factory screw mounts. The holes are oblong, so you can make it go out as far as you want or in as far as you want. Then it also comes with some screws, some clips, and some washers and instructions. Oh, and they sent me a letter. Hey Jason, here's the Type R rock guards. Be sure to let us know if there's any fitment issues. We were engraving custom key tags for ourselves and decided to send you one for Black Diamond. Hopefully you like the way it turned out. Once again, thanks for the support. Let us know if there's any products you think we should make or ideas you have. Pro Auto, thank you guys so much. Check this out, this is cool. Pro Auto Engineering, Black Diamond. Okay, number one, Black Diamond is filthy. This could be a dirty job or it could be a clean job. Why don't I make it a clean job? Let's head to the recon shop. I am back, but obviously not in the recon shop. She's clean, but when I got to the shop, it was packed full of people. I wasn't trying to finish the install there, but we're gonna get to the install and we're gonna start on the right rear. Most of you know this, but for those that don't, this is why you want rock guards. See the tire coming out through past the body? I wanna block that off. That's what it looks like in the front. This is what it looks like in the rear. You only need two tools on this install, two screwdrivers, a flathead, and a Phillips. I recommend the long Phillips one. If you don't, you're gonna have to use like a ratchet and a socket with a Phillips head. But if you have a long neck screwdriver, you can take the screw out, very easy. And then we take our rock guard, line it up with the holes. Now we're gonna tighten these screws, but we're not gonna go tight yet because we need to adjust it. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna come back here. I want here to stick out just a little bit, but what I'm trying to do is trying to keep it just a little past the tire. That looks just about right. Now what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to take it and just bend it a little bit. That way, it follows the body line of the bumper. Looks pretty good. I really wasn't thinking about it earlier, but while I was installing these, I thought, well, I've had them on Blue for 3 or 4 months now, and they've been great. And it's helped keep the car clean. Why I didn't think about that at the beginning of the video, so not only will it help for rock chips, but it will help keep the side of the car clean. And it being a black car, I love that part about it. When you work your way up to the front, do yourselves a favor. Turn the wheel in the direction that you're putting on the rock guard. That way it opens this whole section up that you're free to work here with no problems. You have 3 Phillips head screws and like a pop rivet type deal. Grab yourself that flathead screwdriver, get in behind the rivet like that, make sure you're at the back of it, and then just lightly twist the screwdriver until you can get it to pop out. And then just take the Phillips screws out. Once you have that done, you're gonna wanna take your rock guard and slide it behind the fender liner. Line up the holes, put everything back in. I was able to reuse all stock hardware. I did not need to use anything provided. Now, if you have aftermarket side skirts, diffuser, you might need to use these, but if you're just running stock, you'll be perfectly fine. The passenger side is done, it looks great. I'm gonna hop over to the driver's side to get that done. It should only take me a few minutes. Then I'm gonna re-shine the tires because I was an idiot, shine the tires before I installed these, and I didn't want tire shine all over my hands, so I wiped it off. Let me redo it, take it outside, show you guys what it looks like. I think you'll like it. Actually, I do have one more installation to do. I need to add the keychain. So let me know what you think about it in the comments below. Big shout out again to Pro Auto Engineering for sponsoring today's video. I will leave a link to them in the description. Make sure to use my code 717 at checkout for 10% off. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you know what to do. Thank you for coming back for another Type R Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next one. I was planning on using these, but since I'm not gonna use them now, I'm gonna give them away. And not only am I gonna give this away, I'm also gonna be giving away a set of Alpine 6.5 SS65s. They do fit in the front and rear doors of the 22 to 24 Honda Civic. Now, the way you enter to win the speakers and the center caps, there's only gonna be one winner. How you can enter is you have to leave a comment on any video that I post in the month of August. Plus, you gotta be a subscriber, and it wouldn't help if you liked all the videos. I will be announcing the winner the first video of September. You will have at least 3 to 4 chances to enter. Now, I will only take one comment per video.